Alright, so Black Widow is going to get something else. We ordered from Figurati Designs the magnetic dipstick. So, it says here, magnetic performance dipstick M8 curved blue. So as you know, I've already put a bunch of blue bolt covers on the bike. Look at this packaging. Very nice. And then I'm just going to slide this right out. And of course, I got it color matched. Wow, nice case. And it's like velvet lined here. Yeah, special treatment on these things. I'm going to set this right here. Look at that case there too. A lot of quality even in the packaging. So if they took this time to package it like that and cradle it in like a velvet cradling, yeah, you know that this product is good. There's that. And oh, it is magnetic. So it says here, Figurati Design magnetic dipsticks can help extend the lifespan of your V-twin by catching the loose metal filaments that naturally build up inside the oil pad. Simply replace your current dipstick with our magnetic dipstick to begin collecting any unwanted metal shards floating around in your oil supply. That sounds pretty important. Alright, let's go replace the old one. On the dipstick here too, if you look, it's got all your measurements. Your add, full hot on kickstand, full hot upright, vehicle upright. And then it's got the magnet. You can see the little magnet right there. Figurati Design logo. Very nice. Alright, we're going to take the old one out and we'll put the new one in. Alright. Take this old one out. I'm going to check my oil condition too while I'm at it. Looks good. Alright. So if you look at the comparison of the old dipstick that came with the bike to the comparison of the new one, they are exactly the same. It's just that this one's going to sit a little bit higher than the original, which is fine, and do a better job. I like the fact that, yeah, you get a nice good fingertip grip on here that you can tighten it without any issues, even loosen it without any issues. So that's good. So I'm going to check my oil. Yep. Alright, looks good. So I'm just going to put my old one right there in the nice little case. There we go. Nice. Alright, there we go. Figurati Designs. Look at that. And then look at this from Devil's Head Choppers. Can you get any closer? And then that from Snyder, Goofy, on the pinstripe. Can you get any closer? Nice. Yep. Black Widow's looking good. I'll leave the description, or yeah, I'll leave the information about the Figurati Designs dipstick, magnetic dipstick, in the description below. 2021 Electroglide Standard. Not standard anymore. And as I always say, if you ride motorcycles, Ride safe, ride fun. Miss Jenny here's out.